Oh my god. Bunch of bait right there. Oh, oh, there we go, there we go. Oh, it's a little guy. Oh, there's another one right there, man. Oh my god. He's too small to keep. Oh my god. There he goes. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeremy Smith, and I'm gonna be taking my kayak out, just a regular kayak, not set up for fishing or anything. And just gonna be taking it out in this little pond area right here. It's all salt water, so we should have some really nice fish get hooked up, hopefully. It is not sunny today. It's overcast, lots of rain, lots of thunderstorms, but let's see what we can do. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so today I'm just gonna work along, just do a few casts alongside these mangroves, see if I can find any type of structure that could hold fish, and maybe do a little bit of trolling, obviously slow trolling, in the deeper section of this pond, and see if we get hooked up on something nice. Uh-oh. Lots of bait fish in there. Any big predators? Fishing from a kayak is a lot, it's a lot more weirder to me. Like, oh my god, something. Oh, there we go. Yep. Oh, it's a little cooter. A little cooter. All right. Okay. Okay, buddy. Just handling fish. It's a lot more weirder in there. There we go. In the kayak. So I guess that's what was, what's chasing those little bait fish around. Let's keep moving on. If I catch a nicer size barracuda, I'll probably fry them up for dinner. fry them up for lunch or whatever. Fish like to hang out when it's very strong. Should have had the one with the pedals, but I'll take what I get. Take what I have. Lots of bait fish. Tons of bait fish along the shore. Tons of them. I've caught 2 barracudas so far. If I could get into a nice gray snapper, that would be amazing for lunch. So we're just gonna work the edges, see if we can find any structures that holds fish, and catch a nice one. Honestly, I'm hoping that it doesn't rain anymore. Because if it does, I'll be in trouble. I would get soaked. Coming in too hot. Too hot. This wind is insane. Any fish around them though. Come on, Kudas. I can already feel the rain coming. dip. This is not good, guys. Not good at all. Pretty cool little pathway. It's a little Barracuda. It is so shallow. Pretty cool spot though. Uh-oh. Stuck. Can I walk on this? Yeah, good. I don't know how far I could though. I definitely don't want to go in a sinkhole. There we go. Uh-oh. So you guys did not saw that, okay? Wow, I hear some big splashes in the back there. Ooh. Oh, that's nasty. Oh, something big. Just kick up right there. Baby Barracuda. Oh! Oh my god! What the? Oh my god! Oh my god! What the fudge cakes? Oh my god! Oh my god! I haven't seen one of these in so long. Oh my god! Oh my god! Yeah, this is not good. This is not good, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is not good. This is not good. Oh my god. I just want to keep tension on him. That's a topping, guys. That's a topping. Oh my god. My arms are killing me. My arms are killing me. Come on. I seriously don't want him to take me out too deep, because come on, it's down now. I wouldn't be able to. I would not be able to. Come on, man. Get to the shore. No slack, no slack, no slack. Woo! Come on. Get to the shore, buddy. I'll fight this fish on the shore. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. Wow. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. Good fish. Good fish. Whew. Okay. Oh my god. He was hooked really good. Wow, come on. I need to get this guy back in the water. He was hooked really good. Come on, man. Oh my god. Oh my god, just look at this, guys. Just look at that. That is an amazing fish right there. Beautiful fish. Yep. He's free, guys. So these are scales of that fish. Like topping scales are enormous. Reminds me of Cabera snapper scales. They're very big. Very big scales. Alright guys, so I'm gonna call it. The weather's just getting worse. Starting to rain again. I don't feel like catching a cold, honestly. It's starting to lighten a little bit, thunder, and it's really not that safe on the kayak out here, and the wind's picking up. So I'm gonna call it. If you guys do enjoy this one, hit the like button, subscribe, make sure follow for more, guys. Appreciate you guys. Peace.